Hey guys, Dave Anderson here for Globe Trekker. You can find Globe Trekker at rvglobetrekker.com, where you will find the very best in engineering and DIY solutions for your overland expedition vehicle. Hey guys, I've got some really cool things to show you today. Globe Trekker has been busy away at making a few extra products that you might like to have for your Stewart and Stevenson. It's all in a way of giving back to the community because, you know what, we really hate it when people are overcharged for things, especially substandard products. We really hate that. Here's an example of what I mean. Cheap junk. Come from a place that, well, I just won't mention because, you know, they're totally known for how awesome their products are over there, said no one ever. I'm getting rid of this junk and going to go with something a whole lot better. If you're going to pay top dollar for something, you should have the absolute best. So for Globe Trekker, we are going to test all of these things before we ever put it out onto the market. So today, I'm going to be testing some of our 3D printed items. It's not some run-of-the-mill cheapy kind of thing. No, these are very high grade. And you know what? Just the best for you guys. That's all we want to do. Let's start our testing now. Okay, we're ready to start testing. Time for a time lapse.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
That is around 50 times. I believe 50 right on the button. I may have miscounted and gone 52. But you know what? Everything is very tight. I like the feel of it. And I mean, it is very sturdy. There's no problems with this at all. So I think test is very good on this. And you know what? If that thing can survive the torture test, so can this. And this is a 3D printed handle. Pretty epic looking. Very strong, just like that. Feels very good in the hand. It's very smooth. I mean, check out the detail. I think this is a win, and it is a go for production. All right, guys, that's not the only thing that we're doing. We have these really cool caps, and it just kind of finishes off this little area here. Nice. Wow, I love that look. That is really cool. The other cool thing about this is that you could put a spare key inside here. Nobody would even know that that there was one in there that existed. You could do anything that you want to, have this thing a little extra storage. All right, so you do have a little hole here. What you could do is drill into this and then just put a tiny screw that holds that together. Very simple, very easy. And you got plenty of space on here inside this block that you can make that happen. I really like this. I like it. little RTV. Well, I also got a few more things to show you. This cool little towel hook that goes into the 80/20 slot, just like that. And this little piece goes on just like that. And it doesn't come out. You can still slide it where you need to, but it won't come out. Just pop that out and away you go.
Keep checking back on the website for the introduction of new products that just make your build convenient and easier, like these 3D printed side marker light brackets made from UV-safe ASA extrusion that make lighting your OEV to DOT standards a breeze. Several of our early adopter customers were mechanical engineers by trade. These same engineers are creating all kinds of cool products and are sharing them with us, including this corner bracket. It softens the corners and provides yet another layer of protection against the weather. This includes these new solar mounts that are made to mount to Globe Trekker's PV solar crossbars. There's a lot more coming, including bike and tire racks, surfboard mounts, etc.
Roger, 1202, we copy it. 700 feet, 21 down.